Jai Hind. Here is class 11th dimension chapters question. If energy E, velocity V and force F be taken as fundamental quantity, then what are the dimension of mass? So there is option square bracket means dimension. EV square, second is FV minus 2, third is FV minus 1, fourth EV minus 2. Four dimension, four option is given. Which option is correct? How we check? So we use M proportional to E. E means energy. Its power we take as X. V velocity. Its power we assume as Y. F force. Its power we assume as Z. M mass dimension is M and it is proportional. So after removing the proportional, we put some constant K. Energy dimension we write as ml to t minus 2, and velocity dimension we write as l t minus 1. Its power is y, energy power is x, so we write power as it is, and force dimension is ml t minus 2. Its dimension power is z. Now outer power multiplies inside as bracket, so there is three terms, so every term multiplies with power, so m power x, l power 2x, t power minus 2x, l power y, y power t power minus y, next m power z, l power z, t power minus 2z. Now we know that exponential law, the base is same and between there is multiply sign, so power will be added, so m power become m power x, next m is z, so m power become x plus z, l power 2x and here is y, so 2x plus y, and here is z, so 2x plus y plus z, and t power is minus 2x minus y minus 2z. Other side is m power 1, and here is k is some number, so we do not have any power of k. So now comparing, it will give us, compare both side the power, so m power on right side is x plus z, on left side there is 1. Second is l power is not given on left side, so it means 0. On right side there is 2x plus y plus z, that is equal to 0. Third one, minus 2x minus y minus 2z equal to 0. T is also not given, so equal to 0 we write down. We find out the value of x equal to 1 minus g from first equation, and we plug in this x value in rest two of equation. So plugging 2 1 minus g plus y plus z equal to 0, and in third equation we also plug in the value of x, that is 1 minus g, so minus y minus 2g written as it is. Now we solve these two equations, so 2 minus 2g plus y plus z equal to 0, and next is minus 2, so minus 2 into minus z, it becomes plus 2z minus y minus 2z equal to 0, so plus 2z minus 2z cancel out, minus y equal minus y minus 2 equal to 0. It will give us y value as minus 2. Y value we obtained -2. After getting Y, we plugging this Y in second equation middle. So 2 minus 2z, Y value is -2 plus z equal to 0. So -2 plus 2 becomes 0. -2z plus z, it gives us -z equal to 0, and it means z equal to, we get 0. Plugging z value in first equation, we get x equal to 1 minus 0, that means 1. Therefore, finally we can say in our main equation, we value plug in x value is 1, y value is here -2, and z value is 0. So final we get m is proportional to e power 1 v power -2. So this is the answer that is given in D option, e v -2. So mass dimension in the term of energy, velocity and force is e v power -2. I hope you have understood. Okay.